They call me river.
佢哋嗌我做河流。
I begin as rain.
我由雨開始。
High above the mountain top, I fall softly from sky to earth.
輕輕地由高高嘅山頂從天落到地上邊。
They call me river.
佢哋嗌我做河流。
I am small, I am carried along.
我好細，我會被帶走。
I play with fish, chase dragonflies.
我會同魚玩，追蜻蜓。
My world is changing all the time. So am I.
我嘅世界一直喺度改變，所以我都改變。
I grow bigger, move faster, testing my boundaries.
我越嚟越大，越嚟越快，我測試緊我嘅界限。
I shimmer and ripple and curve. I carve the earth.
我閃爍，起漣漪，彎曲，我雕刻呢個地球。
Twisting, spinning, splashing, roaring. I am wonderful and wild.
我扭一扭，旋轉，濺起，咆哮，我令人驚嘆同埋瘋狂。
And when I merge with another, I move smoothly forward. I glow.
當我同其他合併，我好順利咁樣向前行，我發光。
I grow even more powerful and fast.
我越嚟越強大同埋快速。
I spill over the banks. I am unstoppable until.
我流咗出去堤岸邊，我冇辦法停止，直至。
I am thrown over the edge, suspended for a moment.
我被拋到去山邊緣，被暫停咗一陣。
Then I am falling, falling into silence.
然後我跌落去，跌入咗寂靜。
I crash and shatter, resurface in the shadow of an old tree, lost.
我撞擊粉碎，重新喺老樹影子下出現。我迷惘。
I move in circles.
我兜圈。
Could I have been a lake or a pond? What if I had floated underground?
我可唔可以係一個湖或者一個池塘？如果我喺地底下浮動，我會點呢？
Finding my flow again, I'm back in the mainstream.
我再次揾返我嘅方向，返去主要嘅河流。
Millions of lights shine, and I shine. I reflect the world.
岸上邊有過百萬嘅燈發光，我都發光，我反映住世界。
I ease into wide open, lonesome landscapes. The moon keeps me company.
輕鬆地敞開，寂寞嘅風景，月亮陪住我。
I treasure every drop, every ripple, every breath.
我珍惜每一滴，每一個漣漪，每一個呼吸。
I fulfill wishes. I carry big ships like paper boats.
我達成我嘅願望，我承載住大船，就好似紙船咁。
Slowing down, there is more of me behind than ahead.
放慢落嚟，比起我後邊，前邊有更多嘅我。
When I meet the great ocean, we become one.
當我遇上大海，我哋成為一體。
I am grateful. I let go.
我好感激，我放手。
And then, drop by drop, I return to the sky.
然後一點一滴，我返去天空。
And I begin again.
然後我從頭嚟過。小朋友，睇完呢本書之後，你應該知道雨係可以造成河流，而河流嘅水又可以被蒸化變成雨。呢一樣嘢係會不斷咁樣重複嘅。最後，不如我哋一齊嚟學下喺書中出現過嘅4個英文字啊。Twisting, t, w, is, t, in, twisting. Spinning, s, p, in, in, spinning. Splashing, s, p, sh, in, splashing. Roaring, in, roaring. 各位家長小朋友，如果鍾意我條片嘅話，記住 like 同埋訂閱我嘅 YouTube channel 啦。